Hello everyone, welcome to part 3, the last of the 3-part series of my napkin holders. I'll be completing the last one today. At the end of the video I will show you all 3 of them, but first I'm using clothespins. I got 1 pack at the Dollar Tree. I used all of them except maybe 5 or 6, so 1 pack will make this definitely. What you do is you take them apart, of course, you flip them so the flat sides are touching each other, and use wood glue to glue them together. And you'll continue doing this for 12 for one side, 12 for the other side, and then we'll make a base. But it's really simple. It's an old craft actually that people used to do, and I'm going to do this one in red, white, and blue for the upcoming 4th of July holiday. And just a heads up, I've decided for the next 6 weeks, this will be week 1 with this DIY, that I will be bringing you all a patriotic DIY, 1 a week for the next 6 weeks. So you should have 6 DIYs by the 4th of July. I hope you'll watch and enjoy it, and we'll just get on with this DIY right now. So I've got these glued together, and I am going to sand it a little bit just because some of the clothespins are a little rough. And then what I'll do is I will start gluing 2 sets together. So I'll do like this, and then I'll grab 2 more. Now I've completed that, and then you just start gluing 2 sets of these together until you have a completed side, which will be a total of 12. This is what you should have when you have both sides completed. Now we'll work on the base, and the middle part you see there I did not use, but what you do is you just take the clothespins apart and you'll glue them like this on the small side. And I believe I used about 8. I'll come back and put that in a text. But you'll do 2 sets of 8 and let those dry. I picked up this dark blue paint at Dollar Tree. It's the first time I've used it. It works pretty well. So I'm going to paint the base the dark blue, and then I will paint the actual top pieces of the napkin holder red and white, and I'll alternate the colors. But when I painted the napkin holder, I'd already put it together, and I realized that I couldn't get down in between. So if you do this project, make sure you paint before you put it together. You can also leave this the natural wood color, which really does look good, but I did want to make this a part of the patriotic theme. And I'd already painted the red before I realized I wasn't recording any longer. And now I'll just go in and paint the white. And now I'm just checking for dimensions on how to set this up, but I did end up putting the base together in the middle right there, and I do use wood glue, and then I'll also use wood glue to hold the side pieces on the base. And I'm just using the paint bottles to hold it in place until it dries. I would let it dry completely for around 24 hours before using. And here is the final product. I think it turned out cute. It would be cute on your table for a 4th of July display. And of course you can use any napkins that you want. This is what it looks like without the napkins. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to show you all 3 napkin holders side by side in a minute. And if you could, please leave me a comment and let me know which one's your favorite. And here they are, guys. Totally different themes. This is more of a farmhouse. Put any type of napkin on there and change the look. This is more of a beachy coastal with the seashells, and then here's your patriotic one. And don't forget, guys, that I'll be doing that 6-week patriotic theme DIY, one a week for 6 weeks, and this is the first one. I thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all my subscribers. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe and join my family. And hit that notification bell for upcoming videos. As always, guys, like, share, and comment. I'll see you in the next video.